today we are going to discuss what should be the smallest number to be multiplied, and also simultaneously we'll see and divided or divided or divided to make a number perfect square. Perfect square. Okay. One I will say children, remaining you have to say children. One question I am saying, what should be multiplied or divided to 512 to make it a perfect square? We have to do multiplied or divided, we have to do by prime factorization only children. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2s are 2 8s are, 2 6s are 2 4s are, 2 3s are 2 2s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Okay children, so under root of 512, if you see children, under root of 512, what is there inside the 512? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Children, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is there children, 9 are there children. If you want to make it a perfect square, what should be multiplied? What should be multiplied? Children, 9 2s are there. What should be one more number?
Said 2 only.
2. It should be multiplied with 2. If you would have multiplied with 2 children, then what happens? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 2s would have come in outside. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32 it would have become. And 512 should be multiplied with 2, I said no. So it is 1024, and 32 is square root of 1024. Children, try to understand. 512 should be multiplied with 2. So that 32 is perfect square root of 1024. If the question is multiplied, what is that extra number? If question is what should be divided, there are 9 2s are there children, there are 9 2s are there. If you remove one more 2, suppose if you remove one more 2, so children 5 1 2 should be divided, one more 2 we should remove children. If you remove 1 2, 8 2s will be there, so it should be there 2 256, 8 2s will be there. For 8 2s, 4 2s will come out, and 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 16 is square root of 256. I hope you understood children. Multiply means 2. Divided also 2. If you multiply, new number is 1024. If you divide, new number is 256. For 1024, the square root is 32. For 256, the square root is 16. But for 5 and 2, there are no square roots. To make it a perfect square root, either you should multiply with 2 or you should divide with 2. Did you understand children? If you didn't understand, one more question we will do children. What is the smallest number that should be multiplied or divided to 363? Rishikesh will tell. What should be smallest number multiplied or divided with 363? Rishikesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 1 1 to 1 11 11 again 11 3 3 into 11 into
So what
11
you are getting? 3 into 11 into 11.
11
Two 11s are there, but 3 is
but
only 1.
1, so we should multiply with 3.
If you multiply with 3, 363, if you multiply with 3, what you are getting?
9 1
1089.
yes, sir.
But if one more 3 is there inside, from 2 3s we will take 1 3, and from 2 11s we will take 1 11. 33 is square root of
Square root
1089.
of 10.
No, I want what should be divided means what you will say. This is, both are 2 are there, but this is alone. So it should be divided with 3. If you divide with 3, this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So 363 by 3 is how much children? 121. 2 11s are there, 1 11 will come out. 11 is the square root of 121. What 11 is the square root of 121? It should be multiplied with 3, then you will get 1089. If you divide with 3, then you will get 121. For 1089, 33 is the square root. For For 121, 11 is the square root. Mute your audios, children, if you are not listening. Mute your audios. Next. Raghuram 2352. What is the smallest number that should be multiplied or divided?
So we need to divide with 2. 2s are
Ones are
1, 1, 76. 2s are 5, 8, 80. 2s are 2, 9, 4. 2s are 1, 4, 7, 3, 7, 7, 21. 7, 3s are 3, 3 can. So yes,
so
square
2
root of
into 2 into
2
2 into 2 into 7.
7 into 7 into 3.
This is having pair, this is having pair, this is having pair. 3 is not having pair.
Yes,
To
sir.
multiply, if you want to multiply, multiply with
3, sir.
3. You will get a pair for 3. If you want to divide, divide it with
3.
3 only. 3 will go away.
Yes.
Okay, if you multiply with 3, 2, 3,
Two,
5, 2 will become what? 6,
7,
7, 0, 5.
7, 0, 5.
Whose perfect square root is 1,
2
2,
into
1, 2,
into
1,
7,
7, 1, 3. 2 to the 4, 4 is the 12, 12 7 is 84.
84.
84 is the square root of 7056.
Yes,
If
84.
you divide 2, 3, 5, 2 with 3,
Right.
you will get what? 3 7s are,
3 7s are
3 8s are,
3
3 8s are 24. 3, no. 3 5 2, no, this is, yeah. 3 7s are,
7
3 8s are, 3 4s are.
Yes.
And
Yes.
what is the square root of 784? 1, 2,
2 into 2
1,
into 7.
7, 2 to the 4, 4
28.
is the 20. 28 is square root of 784.
Yes.
If you multiply, you will get 7056. If you divide, you will get 784. For 784, square root is 28. For 7056, square root is 84. Anyone you can do, children. What you are doing is you should do with consciousness. That's all. Those who did not understand, one more sum I am telling children. So 9408. Surya, tell me prime factorization 9408. 2 4s are,
2 4s are 8,
7s are,
7, 5. Okay,
2 2s are,
2 2s are 3, 5, 2, 2 1s, 1, 7, 2, 5, 8, 2 4s are 9, 4, 1, 4, 7, 7, 1, 7, 3, 3, 1, 7.
so 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all 2's have pairs. 7's also have pairs. Who is not having pair?
3,
3. So it should be multiplied with
3,
3 or it should be divided with
3,
3. If you multiply with 3, 9408 will become what? 28224. If you divide it with 3, 9408 will become what? 3136. For 28224, what would be square root? 1 2 will come out, 1 2 will come out, 1 2 will come out, 1 7 will come out, 1 3 will come out. 2 to the 4, 48, 8 7 are 56, 56 3s are, 56 3s are 168. 168 is the square root of 20224. Or if you remove this 3, what is the square root? 1 2 3 7. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 56. 56 is the square root of 3136. So it should be multiplied with 3 or it should be divided with 3. If you multiply with 3, it is becoming 28224. If you divide it with 3, it is becoming 3136. For this, the square root is 168. For this, the square root is 56. But this is not having a perfect square root. So what should be multiplied or what should be divided? You should have consciousness, children, while doing. Last one more sum we will do. 9408 I told, no? One more sum. 10584. One more sum. 10584. 10584. Yeah, Surya tell. 2 5s are 2 2s are Surya. 2 2s are 2 6s are 2
2
4s are
6 4 6 2 1 3 2 3 3
3 1s are 3
1
3 4s 3 7s
7
7 2s are 1s are 7 3s are
3 3 1
3 1s are. So what is there inside the square root? 2 into 2
3 is
into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 3. See, 2 is having a pair, 3 is having a pair, 7 is also having a pair. 1 2 is not having pair, 1 3 is not having pair. So it should be multiplied with Surya. 1 2 is not having pair, 1 3 is not having pair. It should be multiplied with Surya.
3
2 or 3 or 6. Or it should be divided with
6
6. If you multiply with 6, 10584 with 6, if you multiply, what you will get? 6 8 is 48, 6 5 is 30, 35, 3 6 1 is 6. This you will get. If you divide with 6, what you will get? 6 1 is 6, 6 7 is 42, 6 6 is 36, 6 4 is 24. For 63504, what would have been the square root? 1 2 1 3 1 7, and for 1 2 1 2 we gave, for 1 3 1 3 we have given. So 2 3 are 6, 6 6 are 36, 36 into 7. What is 36 into 7? 7 3 is a 252. 252 is the square root of 63504. And remove 1 2 and 1 3. What is left over? 2 into 3 into 7. 2 3 is 6, 6 7 is 42. 42 is the square root of 1764. But 10584 not having any square root, either you should multiply with 6 or divide with 6, then it will become a perfect square. If you want to practice on your own, some numericals I will give children, please copy them and practice them children. So some numericals I am giving, please children do practice them and show to me children. One second children. First one is 180. Send it to me as homework children. Second one is 1100. Okay children, please copy down. You have to send it to me as homework. Next is 6912. 6912. Okay. Next 2925. 2925. Next is 2645. Next is 2800. Try all these things on your own and please send to me as homework children. 1620. What should be multiplied and what should be divided to make it a perfect square? That is the question. Some more are there children. Please copy down. 252. 180. 1008. 2028. 1458. Please practice all these sums children and send to me as homework, or else in the comments you put your answers. 768. These are the questions children. You have to practice. Okay, practice these questions and find out what is the smallest number by which they should be divided or multiplied and send to me as homework in the form of PDF children. Thank you so much.